Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer support with Discover Card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase customer support with Discover Card, start by understanding the customer service options available. Familiarize yourself with the Discover Card website and its support section. Navigate to the Help or Contact Us area to find various resources. Reach out to customer support through the phone number listed for immediate assistance. For non-urgent inquiries, use the chat feature available on the website for real-time responses. Explore the online knowledge base for frequently asked questions. Encourage your customers to utilize the Discover Card mobile app for convenient support. Promote the use of the app's chatbot for quick answers to common issues. Keep your team informed about the latest updates and FAQs from Discover Card. Train your staff on how to handle customer inquiries effectively. Utilize social media platforms to provide answers to common customer questions. Respond promptly to customer messages and comments on social media. Monitor customer feedback to identify areas for improvement in support. Engage customers by asking for their input on services and support processes. Make sure to keep communication lines open through all available channels. Develop a feedback loop to continuously improve customer service based on customer experiences. Consistently review customer support performance metrics provided by Discover Card. Celebrate and share success stories from customers who had positive experiences. Adapt your customer support strategies based on evolving customer needs. Always aim for a seamless and positive customer experience while using Discover Card support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.